My name's Rosie Jones. I'm a Flying Star Health Visitor in Neath Amber Talbot. I'm going to talk about Bookstart, which is BookTrust Cymru's early years programme for babies and toddlers across Wales. So there are two Bookstart packs. The first is the baby pack, which is delivered at the 6-month contact. Within the baby pack, there are two books, an English book and a bilingual book. They're both quite small and versatile for young babies. There are information leaflets, guidance on how to introduce reading and looking at books with your babies. There's also a leaflet on libraries, what sort of sessions you can find in your local libraries. The bilingual book just has easy language to introduce to the home. They're very small, short sentences, and it's just easy for those who want to learn a little bit of Welsh but maybe don't feel very confident. There's just little things, and it's also translated so you know what you're saying as well. On the website you can find information about Bookstart, and you can also listen to the bilingual books in Welsh. So if you wanted to listen to them via audio tape, you can go on there and then it can play them to the children if you don't feel that confident reading the book yourself. Whenever we have contacts with families, we always ask them if they're registered with the library and encourage them to pop along to see what sessions are available for their babies. It's never too early to take your child along to the library. A lot of families may not have books in the home, so it's good for them to go along. There's no late fees on children's books, so they can just go and have a look and take some home, which really does encourage reading at home with the babies. So during this contact, I take the opportunity to discuss reading with the family, look at their confidence around books and reading, and let them know that there's an English version, a bilingual version, and just talk about how they can start reading with their little ones. So I would explain to parents that taking the time to sit down with their children and look through a book can contribute to speech and language development, as well as helping to create a stronger bond with their children. So what I would suggest to parents is to start to get into a routine that works for them and their family, whether that's looking at a book at bedtime or just looking at the pictures of a book when a child maybe needs a bit of quiet time. It's a really sociable activity, so all family members can join in, and just 10 minutes a day really makes a difference to a child's development. So if you don't have much time, the most important thing is to get a book out, show it to the baby and let the parents see the reaction. It can be a really positive start to a good reading routine.